Dilmah's natural lemon verbena tea is a wonderful tea, not just to drink, but to cook with. Right now I'm making a vinaigrette and I'm brewing the tea in the ingredients of a standard vinaigrette, which is olive oil and lemon juice. I've added honey for sweetness, some almonds to give you protein, some pepitas which are naturally good for you, and some red cabbage. While this is stirred, all the tea is still brewing. The flavors are coming out while I'm adding capsicum, parsley, coriander. Together, this is such a simple and delicious, easy to make salad. Herbal teas enable your digestive tract to absorb more nutrients and relieve stress and anxiety. Mandarins, edamame beans, and a delicious cup of Dilmah tea.